Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Tech video. Today I'm going to show you how to get the ChatGPT icon on your home lock screen. And this is very nice and convenient in case you want to have this quick foreign access of asking it a quick question. Maybe someone asks you a question on the fly, or you just need to get a recipe with a certain type of fruit or vegetable or meat, and you want to just do it quickly without going into your phone. I'm going to show you how to get this on your lock screen quickly so you can have access to it. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do obviously is go into settings, and we're going to first go into settings here on our iPhone device. And then after we go into settings, we are going to want to go down until we get to wallpaper. Tap on wallpaper, and then what you're going to see is your current wallpaper that your device is using on your iPhone. You're going to want to tap on customize, and then you're going to notice that I already have it here. So we're going to go ahead and add a widget. So as you can see, I just deleted it, but you're going to see the widgets down here that are available to be added, and ChatGPT is one of those widgets that you can add. So simply tap on it. You see it there now. You could tap anywhere else on your screen and then tap done, and you're all good to go. So when you go back to your lock screen, you're going to notice that your ChatGPT icon is there, and now you can use it quickly. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If so, feel free to like this video, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.